I have a pickup. Is there a Blanca? Thank you.
It is going to the hospital, so you will have to call them when you arrive.
Gotcha. I appreciate you. Have a good one. Thank you. I have a Kai here. Kai.
2 minutes, please.
No worries. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Do you have a delivery? No? Okay. Hello.
Depends on what it is though.
What happened? I'd love to, honestly. Give me a second. I'm gonna put this bike right here.
Yeah. I like your bike.
Thank you. You can look at it if you want. Hey! What's the name here?
Sniffles.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
I got a sucker.
You got a sucker for doing a good job today?
There you go.
Yep. Yep.
Hey, dude. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
He's finally out of the boring hospital. He said that was a bummer.
He loves the people though. I know he does.
He really does.
They all do.
He really does.
Thank you guys. I appreciate
Yeah.
that. Sniffles is awesome. Hello.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, is it you?
He had the helmet too. Nice.
Oh shoot, that's why I get confused. No worries. Appreciate it. One second here. God, I hope I'm not moving these around. Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
Is it all good? Like
Yeah.
it's all good? Alright. Thank you. I just have to pick up. Is there a Raymond here? It's this one right here. I believe it's this one right here. Yulin.
You're all good.
Just this one, appreciate it.
setup, buddy. Be safe out
Hey,
here.
you too.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I did over 7,000 on my bike.
Really? That's
Chicago.
we're. Hey, I visited Chicago.
Yeah.
I love biking there. That's my goal. I want to live there. I want to work in a restaurant there and deliver. So.
Well, that's the place. You want to work in a restaurant, buddy.
Hey, look at I record the deliveries.
Yeah. Excuse me. You're smart, man. A lot of
Go
people
to-
that'll run you over and leave you on the ground dead, bro.
Yeah. Well, I record them. I put them on YouTube.
Well, that's too. You can make some money doing that, man. If
Yeah.
you can monetize that, bro.
Yeah.
You won't have to. Do
If you wanted to look at my stuff, Jack and Motion on YouTube, that's really cool because I ran into someone else who yeah, I ran into someone else who did it in Chicago too, and
Yeah. There's
that's
people
really
that
cool.
actually make money. They make more money. They just the postings than they do.
Yeah,
delivery.
yeah,
They do
exactly.
delivery for fun now.
Yeah.
Because once you get to a certain, even like a couple thousand people, that's all it takes for you to make a living. Believe it or not. You
Yeah.
don't need 1 million people. I know dudes that got 2,000-3,000 in the program.
Yeah, I'm just in here in downtown, so.
Yeah. I did over 4 years. I did 7,000 plus deliveries on a pedal bicycle.
Wow.
With a backpack and two bags in the back and a basket in the front with a 10-pound service dog.
Oh my.
Every single one of them was with my dog mounted.
Wow.
Weighed like a month and a half.
I've got maybe almost 1,000 deliveries, so you got me beat by a lot.
Bro,
So.
it took me 4 years, bro.
Oh,
Full
gotcha.
time, you know.
I've only
doing
been
it.
at maybe half a year, so.
Yeah. But here you won't get those maybe numbers, but you can stay pretty busy. But if you really want to, like a city like Chicago, New York, you can work all day at many fucking.
Yeah.
And a lot of those places, the big cities, they have a minimum hourly wage too, so you'll make a minimum no matter what.
Gotcha. What's your name, dude?
Bo, man.
Bo?
Yeah, I'll see you around, man.
I'm Jack. I'll see you around.
I'll see you around my car.
Yeah.
And my bike too. I ride on my bike, but I'm not doing delivery right now because I don't have the right setup for that bike.
No worries,
Well, you'll
dude.
still see me
If you
on the
got
bike.
questions, let me know. My channel's Jack in Motion, right?
Oh, okay, bro.
So,
you be safe out here,
but
man.
yeah, I'll
I
see
like
you
your
around,
bag,
right?
man.
Thank you. I'm gonna
That's a decent bag. You
get a
can't-
new one. I'm gonna get like a handmade one.
See, you can't do pizzas with that one, and then your bike don't have a rack.
Well,
in the
you
back.
can do pizzas because it
With
extends.
medium.
But small ones, right?
Yeah, I've
like
done the
Little
extension.
Caesars pizzas, right? But
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a bag. I don't remember the last time I picked up a pizza. But
I
literally-
get you around here. You don't do too many
Yeah,
pizzas. You're
no,
right,
not
you're
at
right,
all.
You're right. I
but,
picked up 1 out of 50 orders.
I'm getting a handmade bag that's gonna be really nice. That
That
kind of
too?
like
That
so
too?
because this one's really boxy, you know. So
Bar mitts, buddy.
Yeah.
Bar mitts.
all right.
Cover your hands.
Oh yeah, I'm
know
gonna
bar
get
mitts,
some.
ain't
I'm
it?
gonna get some gloves for the winter.
I'll tell you, gloves waste your time. Bar mitts, because when you take your hands out, with gloves, usually you can't operate your phone, even with the best tip phone.
I'm
Best tip
I'm gonna figure something out for
They
sure.
got
But
'em,
I'll
man,
keep
like
it.
$40 for bar mitts.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that in mind. Thank
Be
you.
safe, brother.
You too. Yo. Yeah, I got you. Give me like 2 seconds here. Should be all good right here.
Thank you so much. Have a
Yep,
good day.
of course. Have a good one.